Hey Glam Fam, what's up? So today I did a holiday party makeup tutorial with this silver cut crease that was super easy, no concealer involved. And I did this metallic red lip. I have a little bit of silver highlight going on there. I'm glowing, I'm feeling good. This is definitely like a nighttime party look. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoy this video. And yeah, let's insert that intro right now. Let's do this.
I just wanna show you off. I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror on the wall. Who's the flies of them all?
Well, this could be a holiday look if it were Halloween. Okay, so I'm going to put you guys really up close so we can focus mainly on the eyes. I've already added contour blush. I'm even setting and baking. That's why I look a little crazy. So the first thing I'm going to do is just dust off this bake. So basically on this video, I'm just going to be doing the eye in detail and the lips and highlighter. Okay, what I like to do after removing all that powder is definitely spray right away. I use concealer as my eyeshadow base, so we're going to get right into this look. For this silver holiday party makeup tutorial, I'm going to use the Sultry palette right here by Anastasia. Tapered blending brush. And we're going to start laying down our transition. For the transition, I'm going to be using this color to Birch right here. And I'm just going to put that above my crease. I need a mauve-y shade, so I'm gonna just grab another palette really fast. We'll stay in the Anastasia family. I'm gonna go in the Modern Renaissance. I hate switching palettes. I try to do a whole look with one palette, but I need a little bit of mauve, like a reddish mauve. So what I'm gonna do is dip these two colors back and forth, and I'm gonna put that above where I laid that transition color. My Luxie double-sided brush, and I'm just gonna go over this burnt orange over the edges of where I laid the mauve, just to add some warmth to the look. And then I'm gonna smudge it out with a clean blending brush. We just want to make sure there's no lines. Okay, so now we're going to work with our black. I'm getting out of the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going back into the Sultry palette. Crease brush, because black is very messy. And you will see now how messy it is. So I'm going to go into the color Noir. Tap it off. And I'm just going to lay it right on the outer corner. See how pigmented that is? Like, you just got to work with black very carefully. And we're going to bring it into the crease. And this little brush allows for, you know, getting into those crevices right there. I'm going to go in with this Morphe M333 and buff this out. Later, I want to take a very fluffy brush and blend out the outer V. Going back in with the tapered blending brush and just smoothing it out. Now that that's well blended out, I'm going to take a tiny makeup wipe and I'm going to put my finger in it and I'm just going to go like this. So with this flat e.l.f. brush, I'm going to go into my light beige by Too Faced. I'll take it down by the bottom of the applicator so I don't compromise the applicator, and we're just going to go like this and then push it down. And then once I pull it down, I just go in with my finger, clean finger. Going to start cutting our crease. To cut our crease, I got good news. We're not gonna do anything too difficult. I'm going in with the Stila Diamond Dust. That's what we're gonna use to cut our crease. You can use the applicator or you can use a fine detail brush. I feel like the applicator is just easier. I told you this was gonna be easy. These are the Glitter and Go eyeshadows, and they are my fave. If you're in a rush, last minute party, and you want to look fly, this is it. I'm even going to take it into the inner corner. These are eye safe, so don't worry. The funny part is I'm not going to a party today. I'm doing this for you guys. So where am I going like this? Like, where am I going like this? Yeah, this shirt's going off as soon as this video's over. And the great thing about YouTube is, hey. Anywho, all right, let's blend this out a little bit with a clean lid brush. I'll use my Morphe G14. We're just gonna go around the edges because we don't want to lose what we just did. It is a cut crease, but we're just gonna go around the edges and pat the glitter a little tad. With a very small detail brush, I'm using the E36. I'm gonna go back into the Sultry palette, grab that Noir, the black, and I'm just gonna go right here so that there's no lines. Just buffing it into the silver. See? Right here. For the lines around the cut crease, I am just gonna take a small, this other clean elf brush that I have that has nothing on it. And I'm just gonna go like this. Perfect. My glitter pop in Glitter Ghost by Too Faced with this very small applicator, and I'm gonna go around where I started the cut crease. But not into the black, just around where I started the cut crease. Like, anybody can do this, so easy. I'll do black. I'll do black. Avon, black pen. Just in the waterline. I take my Morphe M433, and I'm gonna go into this. This is the Hard Candy Just Glow, A Touch of Moonlight palette. It's hard for the camera to pick it up, but I'm gonna go into the silver color right here. This more like silver color on my Morphe M33, and I'm gonna buff out my lower lash line. Highlighter, we are gonna spray really fast. I do my mascara last because I don't want it to bleed from the spray. I'm going back into that highlighter palette, and I'm gonna use this shade right here, Call Me Crazy. Taking my Moda highlighting brush, I'm gonna let this dry down a little bit. Now we're gonna go into that highlighter, the middle shade right there, tap it off. See, it's not as intimidating as it is in the thing. I'm going to take this brush right here and blend it out. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty How Many Carats Boss Bomb highlighter. Precision pointy brush, and I'm going to go into the Boss Bomb and just a little over where we laid that Stila, but more like in the corner. And then I'm also going to take it to my brow bone. Then I'm going to take the Boss Bomb one more time, and I'm going to bring it down the bridge of my nose. Lips, and then we're almost finished. For lips today, I am going in with a nude lip. I should, right? I should go in with a nude lip. But no. I did a nude lip yesterday. Going in with this color that I have been dying to wear. Literally. I'm going in with the Kylie Cosmetics from the 2018 holiday collection mini kit. I'm going into Naughty is the New Nice. Motto. This is a metallic red. If you think this is too much, you can obviously pair it with a nude lip. This lip is stunning. I'm going to put some mascara on. This is where you guys apply false lashes if you wish. I want to add a little something extra. Like, I'm just like not, I want a little bit more on the lip. Probably no one would do this if they went to a party unless their name was Veronica, which is my name. But I want to put a little bit of this Cover FX glitter drops in the middle of my lip. I don't know why. I just feel like it's not over yet. It's not over yet. I want to keep going. I'm going to take this small detail brush, tap it into that glitter. That glitter is it. And just go right here. This has a metallic shimmer already, but I feel like this will take it off a notch. I mean, it's holiday time. Why not? I certainly would probably only do this look if it was a nighttime holiday party. Now, I'll be right back with the finished look, okay? So, this is the finished look. I hope you love it. I decided to add this curly wig. I love you very much. And, yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Have fun at your holiday party. Peace.